Yeah, I showed him my trailer and he loved it. Alone has been very, very popular on the social networking sites. It's really a buzz from the time the first look came out. It was really, I got so many messages, flooded with messages. And yes, then, the second poster today also caused a lot of strong buzz. And once the trailer's out, I actually got few minutes to see my timeline and it was like flooded with messages that people are loving it. So it's a great feeling because, the team has worked really hard and we have made a very entertaining film. It's packaged really well, shot really well. Everything is feeling very positive and we are excited about it.
It's sometimes everything comes together for the right reasons and at the right time. Whenever we shot for this film or during the shooting of the film, everything always felt like This is the way it's supposed to be. There's no afterthoughts about we could have done that or we could have done that. Everything has been to the T from the beginning, and I just feel that we're really lucky to have a team like this.
Yeah, I showed him my trailer and he loved it because he said that he's not seen an Indian horror film that good, and he loved the trailer. He actually did love the trailer, and yeah, he's looking forward. Yeah, he got spooked, and then Sonu saw it, and Sonu said, whatever he said. He's saying ek do shots mein hila diya pura. So they really loved it. Yeah. So it feels great, when the fraternity likes something new that you're trying to do, a genre that they have not stepped into, and the fact that they want to see the film. So it's nice.
I was busy doing other things that time, and when you're doing a show for television, which is a daily soap, you don't really get time or mind space to think about anything else. And after that, I was interning with a friend's company, Four Lines, for production and direction. That's when the film came up, and I'm glad it happened when it happened.
No, actually, from day one, all three of us.
The ice was quite broken with me.
Yeah, like Bhushan, me, and Karan were like a trio from day one. We got talking right from the time we met, and
she was the icebreaker actually. She does a lot of funny things sometimes.
Yeah, I talk a lot of rubbish, and then it's just like there's no ice. Just keep quiet. Yeah. So it's really fun to shoot a film where the key characters and your director especially is in sync and you are all like friends. So we could hang out all the time on sets together and work was fun. That's how work is meant to be.
It was an absolutely enjoyable experience. It was quite surreal actually. It's still surreal till now. And I'm just glad that I've been given this opportunity to be a part of this.
I have fallen from a jet ski before in another film, and let's not talk about that. That was Shikhar, anyways.
Yeah.
But so I had that fear that I'll fall off the jet ski again, and I told Karan that I'm a little scared.
And I was like,
so he said, no, don't worry, it's me and water, our best buddies.
That's true.
Yeah. And he's good.
The element that gives life.
Yeah, he's very good in the water and he's very good with the jet ski. But what we were doing, the shots that we were doing for the helicopter, for the helicam, was like, he was like spinning 360 degrees. I was trying to show off how screwed in the bar. And the water had to splash right till the helicam to get some great shots. Yeah. So we went like that. Yeah. And
after 4 rounds, we stopped.
I just knew I'm flying. I couldn't hold on to him anymore, and I lost the grip and straight into the water. And then
I followed.
And then he pulled me out of it also, so it's okay. Yeah, we are alive and I'm fine. Next time I fall from a jet ski, I won't be scared. This is a bargain that we have to understand, that when you step into a business like this and there are people who love you selflessly, they kind of want to know everything about you. From the day one that you step in, you have to know that a little bit of your self, you have to give it away. Or you are very, very protective. So many people do it differently. Some people are absolutely quiet. Some people they talk about their lives. Some people are guarded. Some people learn through experiences what to be. Because at the end of the day, everyone is a human being and we all have emotions, and nobody really wants their personal life all out there. But it is a sensitive profession worldwide. And you have to be a little thick-skinned at times and be a little smart at times, and that's about it. You have to deal with it. It's just going to be there always. It's a part of our lives.